Hi, I'm Mia, and today we're going to talk about how you can optimize your strength training to prioritize gaining lean muscle. First thing that we're going to start with is...
Mia! Down here! Look down here! It's me!
What are you?
It's me! Your brain? Well, some people call me Thinky Pinky. Come here, let me drop some knowledge on you for a second. Whether it's exercising or if it's your studies, if you really want to grow, you have to start with me. You gotta develop a growth mindset. Here's how you do that. It's the same way you're working out your muscles. I'm not really a muscle, but I get stronger in the same ways.
Wow, I had no idea.
But for me, I don't go to the gym. I go to Khan Academy. Oof. That's where I can choose the subject I want to learn. Then I start reading and watching lessons and test myself on what I've learned along the way. I don't always get things right. When I don't, there's hints that help me relearn what I may not have picked up. Going back and filling in the gaps of what I'm learning just makes me stronger and stronger. Not to mention what it's doing for my confidence.
Wow, that's amazing.
I know, girl. It's a no-brainer. Now drop these weights and pick up Khan Academy. And remember, keep going, keep growing.
Thanks. Let's do this.
Whoa, wait.